Good morning, children. Very good morning. I welcome you all this morning class. Today we will discuss about the manufacturing industries. Already we have been discussing this topic. Of course, questions will not be there in the topic, but there will be a map work. Last class we have discussed about important iron steel plants in India. We have discussed about here the important iron steel plants in India. We have discussed in last class. So, which all the important iron steel plants located in India, different parts of India. That is important steel plant and where it is located. Important steel plants and where it is located. We have discussed. This class will continue with this related to software technologies. Software technology parts, software technology parts, or you can say IT sectors, information technology centers, which are all the important international information technology centers. That is IT. IT means information technology centers, which are all the important information technology parts located in different parts of the country. Okay, and here these information technology parts also we called as software technology parts. We called as software technology parts, IT, or you can say software technology parts. Don't confuse. The most of these software technology parts located in the headquarters of the concerned states. Simply, just it's very easy to identify, easy to learn, children. Most of the information technology parts, that is, I mean to say, as IT sectors located in the capital cities, the headquarters of concerned states. Is it clear? Now come to the states. When you talk about all these 29 states, you know, each and every children knows the capitals or the headquarters of these 29 states located in India, right? The same thing is. Suppose when you talk about the software technology parts, that is IT sector. Software technology parts if we take, IT sectors if we take. So also IT sector located in the state of, yes, you know. So arrow 1 will be shown. We should write down what only the headquarter name. Suppose if it is Kerala, shown arrow mark, we should show Thiruvananthapuram. If it is shown in Jammu and Kashmir, yes, it is Srinagar. If you are shown in UP, that is Nauda. If it is shown in Rajasthan, if it is Jaipur. That means the maximum these IT sectors located in the headquarters of the concerned states, the capitals of the concerned states located. Is it clear? So therefore there is no confusion, children. There will be no confusion. So you must write this here. The headquarters of this so is located in the concerned state. So yes, information technology part is located in the state of so. Clear? But only few states, I will tell you. One is Maharashtra, one is Andhra Pradesh, another one is Karnataka. By leaving these three states and Assam, these four states, these IT sectors located not only in capital city, the headquarters of the concerned state, and because of business administrative center, important administrative center, if it is administrative center, important city, related to business, related to administration, they are also established these IT sectors. They are also located in the important IT sectors. Here I have mentioned this. Now first of all, you will see the important IT sectors located in the part of the India. Number 1. See, number 1 is Srinagar. One is Srinagar, Mohali, Nauda, Jaipur, Gandhinagar, Indore, Mumbai, Pune, Calcutta, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Bangalore and Mysore. The last one is Tirunelveli. When you take these all the important sectors, important IT sectors, maximum located in the concerned state headquarters. Concerned states. Only few states, if you take, especially that is in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. If you take these three states, so these sectors are located other than the headquarters. For example, Maharashtra city, it is capital is Mumbai, but this IT sector is not located Mumbai as well as Pune, because Pune also important administrative center and industrial center. It is business oriented, important industrial center. So Pune also an important IT sector. One is Mumbai, another one is Pune. There are two important IT sectors are there in the state of Maharashtra. So you should not confuse. Then question comes, where is Mumbai and where is Pune? You have to identify exact location of these two places. Mumbai, you know well, yes, it is uppermost part, yes. Gujarat, down, come to down, then you come to Maharashtra. The first one is Mumbai. Still, if you go a little bit southern portion of the Karnataka, then you come across Pune. So, they are the two important IT sectors. Is it clear? So, therefore, how many IT sectors are there in Maharashtra? Two. One is Mumbai, another one is Pune. There are two are there. Yes, here. Maharashtra, there are two. Mumbai and Pune. Here is. You can write down here Maharashtra. Maharashtra and Pune also is in Maharashtra. That means two are there. Right? Even if you take here Andhra Pradesh, here what is it? Hyderabad. Hyderabad also is two. Andhra Pradesh. If you take these two, yes. Here. Here Andhra Pradesh. Here two are there. If you take here, see, Bangalore and Mysore. Take these two. Here, this is Karnataka. Karnataka also two are there. Bangalore as well as Mysore. There are two important IT sectors are there. So these three states are having two IT sectors, whereas the rest of these states all they treat as one headquarters. You know headquarters. The capital city of every state, you know very well. Right? As I mentioned here. Srinagar, yes. Jammu and Kashmir, yes. Then Mohali, it is in where? Punjab. Then Noida, where? UP. Jaipur, it is in Rajasthan. Then Chandigarh, write down Gandhinagar, it is in Gujarat. Indore, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay? And Calcutta, it is West Bengal. It is in West Bengal, yes. This is the list is like this. So, except these three, number one is Maharashtra, number one is Andhra Pradesh, number three is Karnataka. These three states. Other than these three states, maximum these IT sectors located in the capitals of the concerned states. So it is very simple and very easy to point out. Yet at least you should have little bit alert. Alert is very important here. Observe the state, yes, what maybe it is, it headquarters. So immediately you study headquarters of the source because they will give you down indexing. Information technology parks or software technology parks. Yes. Place also will be shown with the arrow mark. So what you should write? Yes, if it is Jammu and Kashmir, you have to write down Srinagar. That's all. If it is in Kerala, arrow mark. If it is in Kerala, you should write Tirunelveli. If it is in Orissa, you write down. If it is that is Bhubaneswar. If it is in West Bengal, you should write down Calcutta. But only doubt where when it comes to the Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. If these three states means you should, because two centers are there, you should know about which state, which center, where is Bombay, where is Pune, where is Visakhapatnam and where is Hyderabad, and where is Bangalore, where is Mysore. Bangalore is little bit uppermost portion of the Karnataka state, whereas Mysore is little down. Similarly, Bombay is upper portion, Pune down. In Visakhapatnam, of course, Hyderabad is upper and Hyderabad is upper portion, whereas Visakhapatnam is towards southeast, down, eastern part of India, Andhra Pradesh. Other than these three states, children, one more thing is there, yes. We cannot forget there is Assam, yes, very important state. Assam, the capital is what? Dispur. But here, in Assam, the IT sector is not located in Assam. Because Assam is not that much important as compared to Guwahati. As compared to Guwahati, Assam is not important. So, Guwahati is a business center, it is an administrative center, well-known city. So, the entire business related, so that is a well-known city. So, therefore, the IT sector is established in Guwahati, yes. So, when you talk about Assam, yes, when you take Assam, so here, the Guwahati's IT sector is located in the state of Assam. Don't write Dispur. Remember this, children. Assam capital is Dispur, so maximum IT sector is located in capital city, Sartor. So therefore, you should not write in Assam. In the case of Assam, it is Guwahati. Guwahati is an important IT sector. Is it clear? So this is one more question. Here also they will ask you either examination point of view related to map work regarding this topic, that is manufacturing industries. They will not be asked any questions, but they will be asked for map pointing from this topic. Clear? So therefore, here there will be a choice. They may ask you the important IDC plants of India, or they may ask you the important software technology parts. Both they will not ask, yes, because of same chapter they are not going to ask you for 2 marks, yes. Any one they will ask you, because total we have total 4 marks of map pointing. We have total how many marks? 4 marks. So related to this manufacturing industries, 1 mark will ask 100%. Either it is software technology parts or it is imported ISP plants. Is it clear? So detail you have explained you, I have told you. Only thing is you have to be little bit alert. You know all the states of India, where it is located. Examination point, what is there? Yes. The ISP plant index will be given. Arrow mark will be shown. When they show the arrow mark of and shows ISP plant, this you should write down. Yes, suppose it is in Karnataka, you should write down Vijayanagara ISP plant. If it is in West Bengal, you should write down Durgapur ISP plant. If it is in Andhra Pradesh, you should write Visakhapatnam. Similarly, here software technology parks also. What I said, most of the software technology parks located the headquarters, the capital cities of concerned states. So here I mentioned already. Here, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Mohali, Punjab, Noida, UP, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Indore, MP, and here also children we should remember. Indore, Madhya capital is Bhopal, but here IT sector is not located in Bhopal, it is located where? Indore. Clear? So these are things just you have to little bit alert and make a note. So it will be easy. So in the row, they come to Maharashtra, Mumbai and Pune, and Calcutta. That is West Bengal, and Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad. I said is in Andhra Pradesh. Chennai, of course, Tamil Nadu. Chennai right down TN, that is Tamil Nadu. And Bangalore and Mysore, Karnataka. The last one is that is Thiruvananthapuram. That is Kerala, as you know. Thiruvananthapuram, Karnataka. They give Kerala, yes. Which is important in IT sector? The information technology parks, that is Thiruvananthapuram. These are the important information technology parks located in different parts of the India. Correct? This is what. So you have to be either both you have to be alert. There will be a choice. Industrial plants or software technology class. Any one they are going to ask you. Is it clear? Is it clear? Still, if you have any doubt, ask me. But there will be no questions from the topic. They are going to ask you only map pointing related to manufacturing industry. This is for tomorrow's class. Remember, here I have written the date. This is for 9. The first video is all of you. Don't neglect, don't miss. Whatever we are telling now is only just example point of view. Because you are away from us, we cannot tell you because physically you are not available with me. So therefore, watch the very first videos. This will be more important for your example point of view. That is the reason why our voice is mistaken. It says please show the first videos so that boys will take interest and they will watch the videos. I think this is what we have been doing. Clear? Any doubt still in the class? Any doubt related to important industrial plants and software technology parks located in India? If you are doubt, I will close it. I will explain once again. If you are happy and no doubts, I will wind up. Any doubts? No doubts. Okay, thank you.